Hi guys, been a while since I did a video. Today I'm removing my OEM cargo box and installing more unique off-road product, Milwaukee Packout cleats. I showed you the one cleat between the seats previously, but they've added 3 more brackets so you can have 2 packouts behind each seat and then 1 between the rear. If you already have the existing bracket, you're going to have to swap out this bracket for this bracket, and this piece ties in with the rear. So I already removed this. I'm going to install this bracket over here, and then I'll bolt it all in and I'll resume the video. Okay, so I've replaced the 1 cleat bracket with the 2 cleat bracket. I've reinstalled my seat belt. Now you're not going to be able to stow these away. And another mod you have to make is you want to notch your cover. And then this goes on top, secured with bolts. And then at the back, there's bolts provided that tie into the existing hardware points. Okay, so I have all my Packout cleats installed. I have the original one that goes between the seats. I installed the second one that goes between the seats. Just a tip, I had to reverse the so the bolts are on, or the nuts are on top. But these all tie into existing hard points. So the only modification you have to do is cut your seatbelt cover. You have a right side Packout cleat here that uses the existing holes and hardware, and there's a driver's side. So you can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can fit 5 coolers in here. I want you guys to share this with the Terex forums, as Terex 4s claim they have so much storage and they don't. So that's 24 cans times 5. Do the math. That's a lot of White Claws for you alcoholics. Let me pause this and I'll put these into place. So they're making these aftermarket cleats so you can make your own mounts. So I got a cooler between the seats, a cooler behind one seat, for storage. One there. One there. It still closes. I can stack more in the middle. These toolkits are pretty nice, by the way. So you got plenty of storage. It's all secure. Let's say so, 1 cooler between the back seats, 2 coolers out back, in the middle, a cooler over here, and pretend you have another cooler here. So you can carry a lot of stuff. put I'm gonna make a mount for my chainsaw here, and I'll make another mount for my my blower here. So Milwaukee Packout system, and the cleats are made by Unique Off-Road Products. And you could stack another one here. You could put six coolers in here if you want, times 24. So food, tools, White Claws, you got plenty of space here. And you can still stack the smaller pieces behind the seat. Milwaukee Packout. And the cleats are made by Unique Off-Road Products.